when you're sort of building a deck out, right, the first thing that you need to know is know your audience. Who are you going to, right? So there is investors. The pitch for an investor is very different from a pitch for a customer, and will be very different from a pitch to a partner. And
Right.
even within investors, the pitch of somebody who's coming in at a pre-seed stage will be very different from a pitch for somebody who's coming in at a pre-series A stage, because the value propositions that these guys look at these different segments are different. So I think some points that we ask our startups to focus on, is one is, of course, the key is to maintain a balance between a consistent messaging of what you're really selling and what you're building, and the value propositions that you have across the different segments, like a investor, with stage, customer, as well as, partner. The other important thing is to keep it interesting, because all of us see many, many, many conversations, even if you go pitch to a business partner. I mean, I've done sales, you've done sales, you know how many sales pitches land up on everybody's table, right? So you've got to keep it interesting to get that thing. But some key points that I like to sort of emphasize on is have a one line which clearly states what you're building, right?
Right.
What is your solution about? The market size, right? And why is it such a big problem? You need to articulate that really clearly. What is the problem that you're solving? Why does it make it so critical for whether the investor is putting in the money, or why is it so critical for the customer who's taking it, right? Articulate the solution and why your solution is the best solution for this and not somebody else's solution. Obviously, if it's an investor pitch, you want to talk about the revenue model, because you want to tell them how you're going to make money. And the most important thing, especially when you're coming in at an early stage, is talk about the team. Because anybody, even if it's a customer or an investor, they're really backing the team at an early stage.
Right.
And they need to know why you are the right team for this and what makes you so super special in this segment. So really, these are the 4 or 5 things that I would say, honestly, that, somebody pitching in the early stages needs to focus on.
Good points, all. I think you distilled it really well. And one thing that I really liked was, being able to summarize what you're doing in a single line. The minute you need to keep rambling on, it means perhaps you yourself are not very clear.
Absolutely.
But if you're able to distill that and say, this is what I'm trying to achieve, this is my TAM, or my target addressable market, and this is how my solution meets that need, how clearly you can articulate that can really make for a winning proposition. But thanks for that, Tamal. It was really, really good points.